Hi class, this is Professor Step, and I wanted to record a short video here to clear up any confusion that you may have about the requirements for the course and what you should be doing. So let me actually go ahead, I'm going to switch to student preview mode so you can kind of see how it'll look for you, because of course it looks a little different on the instructor side. So a lot cleaner now, right? So what you want to do, first of all, is read the syllabus. Part 1 of the syllabus and Part 2. Part 1 is the most important part. Read that thoroughly. Please. You have a link to the office hours here, virtual office hours. You can also visit me in person, M69D. A heads up is always appreciated, just in case I have a meeting or something like that. And then basically everything here you don't have to look at. These are just documents meant to help you. So like if you're having issues with Blackboard, it helps you clear your browser history, things like that. EPCC resources, the communication toolbox, which has a whole bunch of tutoring resources for you. So I'll just scroll down. But these are all optional, okay? So these are just for you in case you want to use them. One of the issues that was brought up recently was that we have all of these resources, but students aren't aware. And so I'm trying to do my little bit of a part to help you with that. Okay, so really what you want to focus on is assignments. You click on assignments. All of your assignments are here. Right now the first 3 chapters are open. The first due date is September 7th. Now, when you click on one of the chapters, you'll notice that there's a variety of links and so on in this chapter folder. SmartBook, that's the link to read your book and also complete an assignment along with it. Basically, it's an AI-powered textbook that asks you questions, and if you answer correctly, well then it's a shorter assignment. If you guess and it doesn't think that you understand, it'll go longer. So, I've seen it as short as 15 to 20 minutes to do this, but if you guess, it can take a lot longer. I've seen over an hour. So please read the book and don't just answer the questions. Discussions. So this is our first discussion. For discussions, you need to post twice. First post should address the prompt. Second post should be a response to a fellow student. Make sure that you answer all parts of the prompt. Generally, a paragraph each per post is fine. I put this here just to encourage people not to do the bare minimum, because that's how you get into trouble, especially if there's a lot of questions up here. But like for this one, 2 paragraphs is perfectly fine. 1 paragraph addressing this prompt here, the other paragraph responding to a fellow student. It's an easy A, as long as you do it, right? Okay, podcast. So this just has you listen to a podcast and then answer a few questions afterwards. Okay? Now, these links here are video links that apply to the course and that I would like you to watch. They're not assignments, though. They're just for you to watch because, of course, this is an online class, and while you can watch my video lecture, which I need to update a little bit because it was recorded on old equipment, sorry. But you have access to my video lecture, but I also have some videos here that I think are interesting and of course also apply to the material. So I'd encourage you to watch them. Now, if you're thinking, well, how do I know, what assignments are due when beyond just looking here? This can get kind of confusing. Well, go to the calendar, click on due dates, and you have your list. So this is our first due date, September 7th. These are the assignments that are due. Okay? You have 2 discussions, 3 smart books for the 3 chapters, and 3 podcast assignments.